Hey everyone, welcome to Random Mindset. Ever wondered how chatbots like ChatGPT can chat, answer questions, and even crack jokes? Is it magic? Nope, it's AI. In this video, I'll break down how chatbots actually work in the simplest way possible. Stick around and by the end you'll be an AI expert. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you love learning cool stuff. A chatbot is a program designed to talk like a human. It can answer questions, assist with tasks, and even have conversations that feel natural. But how do they do this? Well, they rely on something called NLP, natural language processing. Example, have you ever chatted with a customer service bot that helped you track an order? That's a chatbot in action. Unlike basic chatbots that follow scripted responses, ChatGPT uses something called a large language model, LLM, trained on massive amounts of text from books, websites, and conversations. Here's how it works step by step. 1. Understanding your input. When you type a message, ChatGPT first analyzes it to understand what you're asking. 2. Predicting the best response. Instead of pulling answers from a database, ChatGPT predicts what should come next based on patterns in language. 3. Generating a human-like reply. It structures the response to make it sound natural, just like a real conversation. Think of it like this. If a human brain is a sponge that absorbs knowledge, ChatGPT is a giant AI sponge that has soaked up billions of words. ChatGPT is smart, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it hallucinates information, meaning it confidently makes stuff up. This happens because it doesn't truly understand like a human. It just predicts what should come next. Example. Imagine playing a word game where you have to guess the next word in a sentence. That's kind of what ChatGPT does, but at a massive scale. Chatbots are everywhere. You might not even realize it, but they're already part of your daily life. Customer support automated bots help businesses assist customers 24/7. Healthcare AI-powered bots answer health-related questions. Education students use chatbots like ChatGPT to learn new topics. Social media AI-generated chat assistants engage with audiences. Chatbots like ChatGPT are changing the way we interact with technology. They're fast, smart, and learning every day. Who knows, maybe one day they'll be as smart as humans. Or even smarter. What do you think? Will AI ever truly replace human conversations? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI content. See you in the next one.